Hey beautiful people, my name is Marianne. Welcome back to my channel, and this is a tutorial on different eyeliner styles in 2021. So let's dive right in. I'm using the CATRICE Cosmetics It's Easy Tattoo Liner. I recommend getting an eyeliner with a tip like this because it's much easier to work in a precise and easy way with that. Starting with the first look. For this, I'm starting in the outer corner. You can see the line that I'm drawing is really angled like this. And it's best to only have one try for this, because the line as you draw it should be as you go. And here I'm starting again in the inner corner, and I'm using the side of the tip of the eyeliner to draw a really thin line. I'm dragging that along my lash line like so, and then I'm connecting both of the ends like this. Making everything black and opaque. This is what this eyeliner is really truly perfect for, because it's just really black and opaque. It's perfect. And there we go, a really nice beautiful wing eyeliner. Again, you can add a little line in the inner corner to make the eyeliner a bit longer, to create a more of a cat eye look. Really be careful not to overdraw anything, and you can always add more, so start out small. You can also make the line of the eyeliner a bit thicker by just drawing another line from the wing to the inner corner, like this, all across the eyelid. And there we go, the line is bigger. For this, I'm starting in the outer corner like this, and the line that I'm drawing is really flat. It's not really angled upwards, it's very straight. And then I'm connecting that to the inner corner like this. Drawing everything out. Making sure that it's really nice and black opaque. And there we go, we have our winged eyeliner. That's not really a wing, but it's actually really sharp and flat. You can also add a little line in the inner corner right here near the inner corner of your eye by drawing a really straight line in the inner corner like this. And it makes your eyes look wider and a little bit longer, a little bit more cat eye-like, I'd say. Okay, I'm starting in the inner corner, and I'm using the side of the tip of the eyeliner to go really close to my upper lash line, and then I'm dragging it across my lid as close to the lash line as possible. Next, I'm starting in the outer corner, drawing an angled line like this, and then I'm connecting both of those parts. I'm sorry, my camera is kind of blurry here, but you can see I'm connecting those parts and making sure that it's nice and straight, that there's no edges. And then I'm making sure that everything, again, is nice and black, as opaque as possible. Filling in the shape of it. And there we go. You can also add some beautiful graphic eyeliner elements to this like so. Really be creative. Anything you can do with an eyeliner is really perfect for this, because the most important thing with eyeliner and getting good with eyeliner is having a proper one. Like, you really have to pay attention to the tip of the eyeliner. It has to be nice and sharp, because without a nice and sharp tip, there's no really anything you can do to draw detailed and sharp lines like this. Anything for graphic eyeliner parts in particular. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my lovely YouTube channel and check out my other video right here.